Welcome back to RevCheck, where we dive deep into the most luxurious, cutting-edge vehicles in the world. And today we're stepping into the future of travel with the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. This motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a rolling statement of luxury, design, and technological sophistication that pushes the boundaries of what mobile living can be. Mercedes-Benz has long been a symbol of prestige and innovation. But with this motorhome, the brand has taken that legacy into uncharted territory. Imagine combining the engineering precision of a Mercedes flagship sedan with the elegance of a luxury penthouse and the practicality of a self-sufficient home. That's what this motorhome brings to the road. From the very first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome makes a bold impression. The design language is unmistakably Mercedes, with flowing aerodynamic lines, a bold illuminated front grille featuring the iconic three-pointed star, and a body crafted with lightweight yet durable materials that enhance both efficiency and performance. The adaptive LED matrix headlights not only look stunning, but also intelligently adjust for every driving condition, ensuring maximum visibility without ever blinding oncoming drivers. The motorhome sits on a futuristic platform with retractable side steps and a self-leveling suspension system that guarantees a smooth ride, whether you're gliding down the highway or parked on uneven terrain. And with hidden slide-outs that extend at the push of a button, the motorhome transforms from sleek and compact while driving to expansive and spacious when parked. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that rivals some of the finest luxury hotels. Mercedes has poured its signature craftsmanship into every detail of the cabin. High-quality leather, sustainably sourced wood veneers, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting create a sophisticated yet inviting atmosphere. The lounge area feels like a first-class living room, with plush recliner seating, a smart entertainment hub featuring a massive OLED display, and a state-of-the-art surround sound system designed by Burmester. With voice controls and AI integration, everything from lighting to climate control responds seamlessly to your commands, making the experience effortless and intuitive. The kitchen area in this motorhome is nothing short of spectacular. It's designed for both convenience and culinary excellence. Equipped with premium appliances, including a smart induction cooktop, convection oven, integrated refrigerator with a wine cooler, and even a hidden espresso machine for coffee lovers. The countertops are crafted from lightweight marble composites, giving both durability and elegance, while the smart storage solutions ensure that every utensil and ingredient has its place. Mercedes has also integrated an eco-friendly water purification system, making it possible to access fresh, clean water wherever your journey takes you. Moving into the bedroom, you'll find a sanctuary of comfort and style. The centerpiece is a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress that automatically adjusts firmness levels to match your preferred sleeping position. Large panoramic windows give you breathtaking views of your surroundings, yet privacy glass technology ensures total seclusion at the touch of a button. The bedroom also comes equipped with built-in climate zones, so you and your partner can each enjoy your own preferred temperature. With soft lighting, hidden storage, and a premium sound system, the bedroom is designed to offer the perfect balance between relaxation and high-end living. The bathroom area continues this commitment to luxury, featuring a spacious rainfall shower with customizable water pressure, a vanity with smart mirrors that double as digital displays, and even heated flooring. The bathroom is a spa-like retreat. Mercedes has made sure that no detail is overlooked, from the chrome fixtures to the use of antibacterial materials that ensure both hygiene and elegance. There's even an eco-conscious gray water recycling system, highlighting Mercedes-Benz commitment to sustainability. Performance-wise, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is powered by a next-generation hybrid powertrain, combining a high-output electric system with a refined combustion engine. This ensures not only impressive range and fuel efficiency, but also the ability to operate in full electric mode for quieter, zero-emission travel through urban areas or eco-sensitive zones. With advanced driver assistance features, including semi-autonomous driving, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and intelligent navigation that calculates optimal routes for large vehicles. Driving this massive yet graceful motorhome feels as effortless as piloting a luxury sedan. For those who plan extended off-grid adventures, the roof is fitted with integrated solar panels, feeding into a large battery pack that powers everything inside without relying on external hookups. Technology is at the heart of this motorhome, and Mercedes has created an ecosystem that feels futuristic yet user-friendly. A central AI concierge manages everything, from scheduling maintenance checks to planning travel itineraries based on your preferences. The motorhome also includes full 5G connectivity, allowing you to stay connected on the road, stream content seamlessly, and even work remotely without compromise. Every element of the motorhome can be monitored and controlled through the Mercedes-Benz app, giving you complete command whether you're inside the vehicle or exploring outside. Ultimately, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is not just about traveling. It's about redefining the journey itself. It offers a seamless blend of luxury, innovation, sustainability, and performance that sets a new benchmark for the motorhome industry. Whether you're taking a weekend getaway, embarking on a cross-country adventure, or simply wanting to experience the freedom of the open road without leaving behind the comforts of a five-star lifestyle, this motorhome delivers in every possible way. Mercedes-Benz has created something truly extraordinary here, a motorhome that isn't just transportation, but a destination in itself. So, if you're looking for the ultimate expression of luxury living on wheels, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome deserves your attention. It's not just a glimpse into the future of travel. It is the future rolling elegantly down the highway with the star Mercedes-Benz leading the way.